What's the meaning of cation? Cation. Cation.
Cation. Cation.
A cation is a positively charged ion, which means it has lost one or more electrons and thus has fewer negatively charged particles than positively charged particles. This charge imbalance gives the cation a net positive charge. Cations are formed through various chemical processes, including the transfer of electrons between atoms and the dissociation of ionic compounds in solution.
Cations play important roles in many chemical reactions and biological processes, such as nerve impulse transmission and muscle contraction.
They also have practical applications in technologies such as batteries and catalysis.